Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, you're highly welcome. So today we are doing a step-by-step guide for beginners. So if you want to see more of makeup video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the video. Let's go straight into the video. So I'm starting off by priming my eyes. I produce so much all over my face, so by doing this I make my brows last longer. After that, I'm combing out my brows for lining. So to line my brows today, I'm using Davis number 3 eye pencil. And guys, you follow the shape of your brows. So I start filling it from the inner corner, coming out towards the outer corner. I'm drawing a hairline structure. So when it gets to the outer corner, I take more lightly so that to be more believable. So to line my lower brow, I'm going in with this Ijele Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm using a flat brush for this. Guys, please take your time. So you should use a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone for this. Please don't follow professionals when they are using like 3 shades lighter, because to blend out it will be difficult. So to line my upper brow, I'm going in with my foundation, which is the Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Warm Coconut. And for beginners, since we are using the same brush in lining your upper brow, you should keep a serviette or a cleaner near, so that after lining your lower brow, you clean it first before you go in to line your upper brow. I'm blending out with my middle finger. So to prep my eyelid for my eyeshadow, I'm using that same Ijele Pro Concealer. Some people just apply eyeshadow directly like that, but it does not work for me. I have discoloration around my eye area, so to make everything even, I have to use my concealer as my eyeshadow base. So for my first transition color, I'm going in with this, what this color called? The shade is a reddish brown. I'm just tapping it all over my crease area. I'm starting off from the outer crease, dragging it down to the inner crease. So to blend it out, I'm going in with this orange shade. I'm using just one eyeshadow palette today, which is the V Beauty eyeshadow palette. So I'm blending it out using a circular motion. Guys, please try to avoid every harsh lines. Blend it gently using a circular motion. To cut my crease, I went in with Ijele Pro Concealer in the shade Almond, since it's lighter than that of Fawn. So guys, if you have problem drawing your crease, you should draw it in patches. Then you can join it in later. And I know that some people always say you should apply eyeshadow when it's still wet. That does not work for me. I have to let it dry up first if I want to have maximum pigmentation for my eyeshadow. It has to dry in first. So I'm going in first with this color, this silvery color. You guys know I am a sucker for a bright inner corner. Then my second color for my lid area, I'm going in with this red, but it's appearing orange on the camera, but it's actually red. So I'm using a dabbing motion. Guys, please dab, dab, dab. If you want pigmentation, you dab, you don't drag your eyeshadow. So I went in with that first transition color to blend out all the edges, since I don't want any harsh lines. Everything has to be blended in. So I went to blend it all out. So I'm using a gel liner to line my brow, to draw my wing eye, sorry. And guys, this step is not easy. It is not. At the beginning, I could don't go all this. You can just draw a very slender line so that you can carry your brows. So I'm going in to moisturize my face while I'm waiting for my lash glue to set in. Now I'm applying my primer, which is Pond's Lasting Oil Primer, all over my face. Guys, this primer is very mattifying, so I don't advise it if you don't have very oily skin. You should go for a more hydrating primer. So this one, because I have very oily skin, so that's why I use it and apply it all over my face. So I'm now using my foundation brush to apply my foundation all over my face. I'm now blending it all out with my damn beauty blender. Guys, please, there should be no water in the beauty blender, because when your beauty blender still have water, it doesn't blend it all well. So you should be damp, not wet, and you should blend out using a patting motion. You dab, and please don't forget to blend in your neck, no matter how matching your foundation is to your skin tone. And guys, I'm concealing, I'm highlighting now. I'm highlighting my under eye, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And guys, I'm always saying your highlight should not be too much, because if it's too much, you will now, like, you have to now blend it all over the place, to be all over the place. So you should use a dabbing motion too. So to set the highlighted part of my face and the other good stuff, I'm using the Avour Professional Powder Palette. I'm setting today using a brush. So I dab in my brush, blow out the excess, then pat it in to set all the highlighted part of my face. To contour, I'm still using the Avour Professional Powder Palette, and guys, as you see, I am using a circular motion. I am not drawing lines. If you draw line, it will be so harsh. So use a circular motion so there will be no harsh lines. I am contouring my forehead too, because I don't want it to seem as if I'm having a marks on. So I'm contouring my jawline too. So to contour my nose, I went in with a smaller brush. I start directly below my brow area. I draw in the line, then blend in going downward. I do the same for the other side of my nose. So I went back in with the gel liner to line my waterline. I'm smoking out my under eye area using that second color on my lid area. I'm using a smaller brush for this. So I'm setting all the highlighted part of my face with my finishing powder. Everything will be well blended in. Then I go in with my setting spray, and guys, please, if you are using a matte eyeshadow, cover your eyes or it will spoil. Everything will just spoil. So I'm going to highlight. I'm using a circular motion. I'm highlighting directly above my contour. So to highlight my nose, I went in with a smaller brush. I highlight the tip of my nose. I blend in the bridge of my nose. I blend into my cubic bow. And always going with, I do my eyes first because I'm always afraid of fallout, but you can do your makeup any way you like. So to line my lips, I'm going in with this classic deep liner. The shade name will be in the description box. I've forgotten the shade name now. And I went in with this orange shade. Guys, please don't ask me the shade name because I got it from a dollar store. It does not have a shade name. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you learned something from today's video. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the comment section. Leave a suggestion for me. So till the next video, bye.